How to edit videos on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now go ahead and shoot the video, or also you can select the video from your gallery. If you want to select the video from your gallery, click on this icon and select it, or else you can click on this icon and shoot the video. I'm gonna shoot it right away. Once you are done with the video, now at the right corner, you're gonna find different features of Snapchat that you can use to edit your video. Firstly, you can add text. Likewise, you can draw. Then you can click on this icon and add stickers, bitmojis. Clicking on this option, you are able to add the music. From here, you are able to mute your video. Clicking on this option, you are able to search for the filters. Likewise, you can click on this option and you can toggle on retouch on. Likewise, you're gonna find different features over here. You can use these and edit your video. Once you do that, you can click on send to and send this video. So this is how you can easily edit videos on Snapchat. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.